Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss the question set number 27. The first question says, what is the number of students studying in class A? We have to see the count of class A. We have to select count in from index number from student table, and we have to inner join class table, and we have to see student.class id is equals to class table.class id. After that, we can give the condition here where class name is equals to 11A. After execute this query, you can see the number of students in 11A class. The second question says, find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. So here we have to select count. We can get the count from student exam mark record table from the student index number. From student exam mark record table, and we have to inner join. We can inner join exam term table, exam term on, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot exam dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id. After that, we have to in here find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks of all subjects in first term examination. Okay. After that, we can give the where clause tag where uh, term name is first term, where term name is first term, and mark between 40 and 90. After execute this query, you can see the count of students in counts of students uh, who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. The third question says, what is the number of students appearing in the subject of science in school second term examination out of the students studying in all classes in grade level? So we have to select. In here also we have to select the student index number from student exam mark record table. Uh, After that, we have to join the term. We have to join exam term table on, and we have to see student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id. After that, um, we have to join the subject table on, and student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject id, and we can give the condition here. Subject name is science, subject name is science, and term name is term name is second. After executing this query, you can see the result set. The result set is 8. The number of students, 8 students, are participated for second term science subject. Okay, we move the next question. The third question says, what is the number of students? Okay, the first question says, find the following details of 11A class students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics in the second term examination. Okay, we have to first see the admission number. We have to select admission number means index number. We have to select index number. We have to select index number, first name, last name, mark. First name, last name, mark, and examination date. Exam date. Date of examination. Okay. After that, we have to select these data from student table, and we have to select these from student table, and after that we have to inner join student exam mark record table on, and we have to student exam mark record dot we have to see student index number is equals to student table dot index number. After that, we have to inner join. After that, we have to inner join the term table also. Inner join exam term table on, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id. After that, we can give the condition here. The condition is uh, the following details of class of 11A class. Okay, so we have to inner join the class table also. Inner join class table on student table dot class id equals to student table dot class id is equals to class table dot class id. Class table dot class id, and we have to give class name is where class name is 11A, and class name is 11A, and the score students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics subject in second term. The subject name is mathematics and subject name is mathematics. So we have to get the mathematics subject name from subject table. So we have to inner join the subject tables also. Inner join subject table, and we have to see student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject dot subject id. Okay. After that, we have to give the and term name is second term. Term name is equals to second term. Second term and mark more than 60. Class students who scored more than 60. Mark more than 60. After execute this query, you can see the answer. So we'll move to the fifth question. Find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second term examination. Find the number of students in class 11. Here we have to see the count. We have to see the count from, we can see from student index number from student exam mark record table, and we have to inner join the term table on, and we have to see student exam mark record dot term id is equals to exam term table dot term id. And we have to inner join the subject table also. Inner join, we have to inner join subject table. After that, we have to see student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject dot subject id. Okay. Here we have to after that we can see the condition. Here we are, term name is second term name is second term, the subject name is mathematics, and the mark is more than 60, and the class is 11, and class name is 11A, and the subject name is equals to mathematics, and okay, second term 11A class mathematics is subject and the mark and mark is more than 60. Mark is more than 60. Okay, after execute this query, unknown column class name in where clause. Unknown class name. Yeah. We have to inner join the class table here. Inner join. First of all, we have to inner join student table on, and we have to see student exam mark record dot student index number is equals to student table dot index number. Student index number. Student table dot index number. Okay. After execute this query. Sorry. After that we have to inner join the class table. Inner join class on, and we have to see student table dot class id. Class id is equals to class table dot class id is equals to class table dot class id. After execute this query, you can see the result set. Uh, mm, there are two students in class A who scored more than 60 marks for the science subject in second term. For the science subject, we have to see the science subject here. Subject name is science. Result is number 3. There are three students. There are three students who scored 60 marks. More than 60 marks in science subject in second term. So these are the requirements of question set number 27. We'll meet from the question set number 28. Thank you.